Yes,
Yeah.
Shamanika. We are
Welcome
back
back.
again.
It was like one
So
hour
what I'm
almost,
going
yeah,
when
तो
you
video
said it's
off हो
just
रहा
few
था.
minutes, I don't even realize that it's been 1 hour and we're
Yeah.
talking and such an interactive, fun session that's
Yeah, it
happening.
was
So we
very
can't
nice.
even.
In fact, everyone has lots and lots of still questions with them. So I thought
Yeah,
to,
I
come
can see
live
the
again.
questions popping in. Yeah, I can see the questions popping in. But I'm so engrossed in this session that yeah, I'm
Yeah.
hardly having to look at
In
those.
fact, I was very much into that. So we were
Okay.
had a nice conversation. We were doing about, what was the last thing we were saying?
How to improve your metabolism.
Yeah. So continuing from that.
Yeah, so that is what I said. So, like I said, Rome was not built in a day. So, it's very important that you keep going, start having realistic goals, and then when you achieve them, then you feel happy. Otherwise, if you have unrealistic goals, मुझे ये इतने time में achieve कर लेना है, or very short-lived goals. You know, some people come up to me and say कि मेरे cousin की wedding है 2 महीने में, ma'am, I want to lose this much weight. What happens is when you're having such kind of aims ना, तो वो जैसे ही खत्म हो जाएगा ना, you'll come back to square one.
Okay, one
So
more
it's
question which is very common from them is like how to remove the dark circles with diet. Is it possible?
see again having a
Because
healthy
with
diet.
makeup, so we can do temporary. We can do anything temporary with makeup. But for generally, can we remove our dark circles? But
See,
Mahima, I think removing is not the point. It's like how can we reduce it, I guess.
yeah, I
Remove
feel
तो नहीं हो सकता.
in course of time, what happens is वो subtle होना शुरू हो जाता है, which is so
this is
prominent
what.
otherwise, then starts getting subtle. Why? अगर आपका proper sleep schedule नहीं है, you're a person who is not sleeping on time, आप एक एक दो दो बजे सो रहे हो, so you can't blame the dark circles. You can't blame those poor dark circles.
Really?
That is bound to happen. That is the end result of an unhealthy lifestyle, right? So it's very important कि वो आप प्रॉपर सो रहे हैं, आपका प्रॉपर स्लीप शेड्यूल है, राइट? स्किन प्रॉपर हाइड्रेटेड है, लाइक आई से यू आर हैविंग द स्टफ लाइक आई सेड. अगेन प्रोटीन रिच डाइट होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, दैट यू आर हैविंग.
Any
फिर नॉन
secret food you have for that? Any secret fruit or vegetable?
एप्लीकेशन की बात करें अगर मानिका,
No,
पोटैटो
eating.
Yeah. There's no one thing. There's no one thing for anything for that matter in this world. There's no one thing which you can rely that yeah, you're having this and yeah, you're sorted. But yeah, in general, a protein-rich diet, having good fruits, vegetables, a healthy diet, proteins, because our skin is made of keratin, right? Our hair, our skin is made of proteins. So it's very important that you have a healthy protein, and seldom do we give importance to that. We being Indians ना, हमारा concentration रहता है मानिका रोटी सब्जी, तो हमारा प्रोटीन से फोकस ही रहता है. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपकी डाइट में एम्पल प्रोटीन हो, राइट? इफ यू आर नॉन वेजिटेरियन, सो इंक्लूडिंग चिकन, फिश, सैल्मन, एग्स इन योर डाइट. एंड व्हेन आई से एग्स, दैट मींस होल एग्स, कि आप योग भी इंक्लूड कर रहे हो. सम पीपल अदरवाइज दे हैव दैट ओनली एग वाइट. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जो प्रोटीन पार्ट होता है वो एग योग में होता है. तो
I want to
वो
ask
लेना
you
बहुत.
one more thing. What is your secret behind of becoming so fit after a baby? In fact, you were like this, or you have done something?
No, see again, of course I gained weight. I gained 12 kgs again during my pregnancy also, Remanika. I was a person who was very conscious about my body.
Of
and
course,
yeah,
your dietitian.
I talk to people day in and day out कि आपको
This
कैसे
is the
fit
main
रहना है.
question what I have to ask you. If someone is planning, okay, to have a baby,
Right.
she gained.
Yeah.
So what do you suggest कि उस time भी हमको diet करना चाहिए या after the thing?
बिल्कुल. During pregnancy also, when you have conceived, definitely
Am I audible to you?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
So
I was asking, while we are pregnant, should we join the diet because anyhow we have to become fat?
Yeah, no, that's okay. But see what happens is, Ramanika, when you don't have any mentor, no, nobody is guiding you, you get carried away. क्योंकि you are being pampered at that time with your husband also, with your family members also. आप कहीं भी जा रहे हैं for a pregnant woman, everybody just would stand up and offer you a seat. So yeah, you're being pampered from everybody, right? And which is good also, which is okay also. So, but yeah, having said that, it's very important कि हमें ना लगने लगता है psychologically कि ये तो normal है because I'm pregnant, so yeah, I'm bound to have those food cravings, and that we are having those golgappas, papri tikki every single day, 12 a.m. in the night. We just get up and yeah, asking my husband
because that
get
is the time what I have heard from people कि वो time में वो कहते हैं हम तो जो मिलता है सब खाते हैं. अब this is the time we have to eat everything.
No,
okay?
see again,
so what
very important
कि मतलब कंसीव करने से पहले तो डाइट करना चाहिए कि वेट पहले हमें कम करना चाहिए, ठीक है, before the baby. Then if we have conceived or someone has conceived, Yeah, so उस दौरान भी he can join the diet.
Yes, definitely. See, diet doesn't mean that if somebody is training you कि आपको भूखा रहना है. Like I said, that concept has to be very clear.
Yeah.
That means eating healthy, right? So you want to gain weight, but in a healthy way. So I have seen women coming up to me who say that I gained 25 kgs during my pregnancy. I gained 32 kgs. So knocking that weight
Oh.
off while you're trying to shed your weight post, let's say, 2 months of delivery, so that is very difficult because you start getting annoyed. So you many people would start telling you, oh, you look so plump, so you start looking 10 years elder to what you are, right? So it's then that frustration starts creeping in. So it's very important that you eat things wisely, sanely while you're pregnant. Also doesn't mean you just hog on to anything.
While
Let
we
me
are
tell you
pregnant, we should follow. So the answer is that.
yeah, let me
And
tell you
post
my
the
case.
delivery, of course, we have to follow.
Yeah, of course, of course. So let me tell you my case since you asked.
Yeah.
See, I was a person during my conception also. I just didn't eat mindlessly. So that mindful eating, that is a part of my lifestyle that was there during then also. So I feel mentally when you are empowered, I never had craving. मुझे ऐसा नहीं था कि I'm telling my husband मुझे अभी रात को 12 बजे कुछ ये खाना है. So even I used
After
to
कितना
hear my
weight बढ़ा
parents.
था?
11 kgs I did.
11.
Yeah,
So
which
आपका
is
कितने मतलब आफ्टर पोस्ट डिलीवरी फिर कितना कम हुआ आपका, कितने
it
दिनों में
took
कम
me
हुआ?
6 months to set that weight because again I was breastfeeding my baby also. So when I started weaning him, वो solid food पे आ गया. Then I started my journey of losing weight and it took me 2 months to shed
Okay,
those
just
10
2 months.
kgs.
Okay, you're
Just two
blessed
months.
with the dieting thing. That's why you took 2 months.
See,
People
I
are
have a
dying. They are having years
see,
and
I'm not
years.
a blessed
They're
soul.
not able to
See,
shut down.
I'm not a blessed soul. If I eat anything unhealthy, definitely I would gain weight. But what happens is, Remanika, I'm a person over a period of time. It has become my lifestyle that yeah, I don't remember the
I
last time
have
I had a
seen
pizza.
ladies doing keto diet after babies. Is it fine? Is
No,
it good?
that is wrong. If you're a breastfeeding mother, that is a big no. Because again, आप अपने baby को भी risk में डाल रहे हैं that you're not eating healthy, then it would affect your feed also,
Yeah,
right?
the
और
keto thing. Yeah.
so again, some people see want to experiment. So if you want to experiment for yourself, do it for a month or do two, then yeah, experiment it and then see the repercussions happening. That yeah, how soon you're gaining weight back. So
Yeah.
that's very important. अभी तो intermittent fasting का भी trend आ रहा है. So I feel these are all trend
Yeah,
setters.
this one girl is asking कि intermittent fasting होनी चाहिए या नहीं?
See, again, that depends from person to person. It's not a straight thing that I would say a big no. But if you're a person who can relate to that, आप खास रह सकते हो कि आपने 16 hours fasting करी and you're not eaten anything and you're okay with that if the system allows, go for that if it's healthy for you. Right? But I feel if you're doing clean eating, आप alkaline खाना वैसे ही खा रहे हैं रेमानिका, so you don't require one day a week कि अब मैं clean eating करूंगा. You don't have to have that conscious decision. I feel every single day 365 days a year वो आपका पैटर्न रहना चाहिए ना. So you don't require one fine day कि अच्छा आज ये दिन है हफ्ते में मैंने चूज किया अब मैं clean eating खाऊंगा. I just have only fruits and only veggies, nothing else, no grain at all. So if you're eating healthy the entire month, so you don't define those 3-4 days only. I feel that is what I feel, and that is something which is not sustainable. अभी तो हम घर पे हैं ना Remanika, when you're a person who is a worker, usually women who join me are multitaskers these days. You're managing your homes also, you're managing your babies also, you're working also, you're managing. So again, when you're doing that multitasking, surviving on to such patterns कि आप भूखा है इतने घंटे you're doing fasting is not something which is doable. And when you are hungry now, when you're not satiated enough, what happens is you can't concentrate on your work also. Your mind will not work at all.
Yeah. Next question is like, can we take 2-3 spoons of apple cider vinegar with warm water?
See, that depends on person to person.
Okay.
आपको अगर सूट करता है तो बिल्कुल आप लीजिए. But some people, what happens is that elevates your acid content in your body. So if you're a person which in the case it is not suiting, it will start showing you the symptoms. When you introduce a new food item in your diet which was not there, और कई बार क्या होता है क्लाइंट्स बोलते हैं कि अभी मुझे घुटनों में दर्द होना स्टार्ट हो गया है. So that means it is suiting you. So या आपके स्किन पे अचानक से आपको लग रहा है कि अभी आउटबर्स्ट होने लग गया है, पिंपल्स होने लग गए हैं, राइट, जो पहले नहीं था. सो व्हेन यू हैविंग सच थिंग्स, इनकी तासीर गर्म होती है.
So I don't think so ये इतना विनेगर, ये एप्पल विनेगर लेने का भी कोई जरूरत है. I don't think so. No?
I don't think so personally. I don't recommend.
In fact, I don't think so. Yeah.
So but yeah, these days because of this corona thing, it's very good idea कि अगर आपने apple cider vinegar लिया ही हुआ है, so wash your vegetables and fruits in that apple cider vinegar. That's a very good thing.
Okay.
for maintaining that hygiene quotient ना, तो वो ज्यादा अच्छा है instead of having that. अगर सूट करता है so that's a good idea. आप ऐसा नहीं है कि it's
And
a
what
big no.
about this honey lemon water? Is it good for weight loss in morning?
Again, honey again has sugar in it. It
Of
has
course, which I am thinking, honey is full of sugar.
It's a better substitute to refined sugar, right? लेकिन sugar है. So when you are aiming for a healthy routine, let's say you want to knock off few kgs here and there, तो आप हनी ही ले रहे हैं सुबह में, so I don't think that's a wise deal. तो वो आपका weight loss में help करेगा because you are unnecessarily adding sugar to your diet, right? But आपको अगर कुछ cravings हो रही हैं, so instead of resorting to कुछ भी cakes या pastries वाला या कुछ भी processed food, biscuits, जंक फूड, तो इस तरह से आप ले रहे हो, ड्रिंक बना के ले रहे हो, सो एनी टाइम इट्स अ बेटर डील. So it's a wise choice. But if you feel कि ये like I said Manika in the earlier session when we were chatting, कि कुछ भी एक ड्रिंक से, एक कंकॉक्शन से कुछ भी मैजिक नहीं हो जाएगा. That concept has to be very clear. कि कोई भी जीरा वाटर ले रही हूँ या वार्म ड्रिंक ले रही हूँ, ग्रीन टी ले रही हूँ फॉर दैट मैटर, तो उससे कुछ मैजिक होने वाला है. सो नो गाइस, दैट इज नॉट गोना हैपन. तो वो कोई ऐसी ड्रिंक नहीं है. सो मेनी पीपल वुड एड्रेस मी, यू वुड हैव सीन की मैजिशियन, दैट्स जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ माय डाइट एंड योर लव दैट पीपल कॉल मी. बट ट्रस्ट मी, आई डोंट हैव एनी मैजिक वॉन्ड विद मी कि ये हमने एक चीज लिया और इससे मैजिक हो जाएगा. सो अगेन यू हैव टू डू hard work for that. Anything which you aspire to have, like a healthy body, you want to have anything, so anything which is worth having doesn't come easy. You have to work towards that every single day.
For
So
a
my
healthy
viewers,
breakfast, last question, last for you. For a healthy breakfast, can we have suji or oats?
see, agar wo flavored
options, you have to decide one for them.
Suji, anytime suji.
Okay,
so many people feel for a weight loss सूजी. Many people would feel कि सूजी तो नहीं खाते हैं, वो तो weight loss करेगा ही नहीं. But these are misconceptions. मैं अपने clients को उपमा से लेके, इडली से लेके, even Ramanika, you have taken my diet, रवा पिज्जा, ये सब कुछ देती हूँ. So that has to be a part of your diet.
Lots of suji idli, idli masala.
अभी लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे ये चीजें काम पे आ रही हैं, राइट? आपको अगर मीठे का मन कर रहा है, so instead of having those ice creams, अभी तो बाहर जाके खा भी नहीं रहे हो, लेकिन आप सूजी का, रवा का शीरा बना रहे हो, हलवा बना रहे हो घर पे ही, वो ज्यादा हेल्दी ऑप्शन है. सो व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग सच स्टफ, मच वाइजर डिसीजन टू हैव इट. अच्छा रिमानिका, वन ऑफ माय क्लाइंट्स वांटेड टू आस्क यू कि आप कोई रेड या न्यूड लिपस्टिक का शेड कोई बताइए जो आपका पर्सनल फेवरेट हो, which you would recommend, and what is your favorite pick? You like reds more or nude?
If you talk about the drugstore product, because लोग वो ज़्यादा खरीदने में pocket friendly भी होना चाहिए और मतलब इतना ज़्यादा high end भी नहीं होना चाहिए. So what I suggest, people can buy Forever 52. It's a nice brand.
Okay.
To get a lipstick for around $500 to $600 for one lipstick. So for the red lipstick, which I like, is like we can have a rose color. The color name is Rose for that.
Okay.
And if you wanna have lipstick for nude shade, then you can have this NARS lipstick. This is very nice. The number is Get It On. The name is Get It On. It's a very nice pink color. So you can have that. और रेड लिपस्टिक में तो भी आप लोग ब्रांड मैक का भी ले सकते हैं, किसी का भी ले सकते हो. रेड लिपस्टिक तो सब में चलेगा.
Okay. And what is your personal favorite, Manika? Reds or nudes? You're more of a red person or both?
Yeah.
Both. Depending on the side. Depending on
the mood. I hope everyone likes this session because it's almost 1 hour and 15 minutes and we are still with lots and lots of questions, because it's like when it comes to girls, so it comes for dieting, क्या खाना है, weight loss. Weight loss is a big thing for everyone.
For everyone, I feel it's a matter of concern. And whether you be a female, but it's more of female centric thing. But definitely, I feel it's for everyone that you should always strive to be the best version of yourself, because health is an investment that you're making for yourself, which will be there for you, and you'll reap the benefits of that every single day, I feel. So that is an investment. So when you're doing this, is the time, if you have time for yourself. So instead of ruining this time and wasting this time with a laid back attitude, when you're working towards health, and when you're out of the lockdown, and when you feel that you did something for yourself, because this is a golden period. I feel ये जो time है हमारे पास,
time for ourselves in this.
हाँ, क्योंकि हम इसका negative side, flip side ज़्यादा बात करते हैं लोग, बट आई फील दिस इज द गोल्डन पीरियड जो आप अपने लिए इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज इतना क्वालिटी टाइम आई थिंक आई हैव नेवर सीन इन माय लाइफ व्हेन वी आर जस्ट
There is one more question जो मुझे भी लगता है मुझे पूछना चाहिए, is like why the weight gets stuck after certain reduction. This is
see
the main
again
question.
that is there comes a plateau stage in science term we say plateau आ गया है आपका. So it's very important. अगर आप एक ही चीज some people ना they try to do it on their own कि मुझे वेट कम करना है चलो ये छोड़ देते हैं.
मैं आपको एक अपना भी शेयर करना चाहती हूँ कि एवरी वीक वी डू सर्टेन डाइट, ओके. तो कुछ टाइम 2-3 महीने के बाद वेट कम हो गया, उसके बाद इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू गेट इट डाउन. सो व्हाट आई डू नॉर्मली आई लीव डाइटिंग, ओके. आई स्टार्ट ईटिंग, चलो 1 किलो बढ़ जाए, फिर मैं दोबारा मैंने रीजॉइन, दिस इज माय थिंग कि दोबारा रीजॉइन करा तो फिर वो घट जाता है, मैं उस नंबर से नीचे आ जाती हूँ. सो इज इट अ राइट थिंग या मैं गलत करती हूँ?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं ऐसा नहीं है.
I'm not a professional in this, but this is what I think.
लॉजिक इसके लिए कुछ नहीं है रमानिका कि छोड़ने के बाद बढ़ जाएगा तो फिर दोबारा आसान हो जाएगा कि आप लूज करना. देयर इज नो लॉजिक बिहाइंड दैट कि
दे गॉट स्टक हो गया, बिकॉज़ आई थिंक ये सबके साथ प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज़ लॉट ऑफ गर्ल्स आर आस्किंग कि वेट करने के बाद भी रिड्यूस, फिर एक जगह पे दे स्टक ऑन वन थिंग कि अब 59 है या 58 है वहीं पे रुक जाएगा.
हाँ, इसमें दो चीजें हैं रमानिका. A, you have to understand what kind of diet you're following. अगर आप खुद से ही कर रहे हो, taking care of somebody, some help, कि आप कोई हेल्थ प्रैक्टिशनर से डाइट ले रहे हो. बट अगर बहुत ही रिस्ट्रिक्टिव डाइट है, लाइक आई सेड, वही चीजें मोनोटोनस आ रही हैं, सो बॉडी गेट्स यूज्ड टू दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पैटर्न, तो बहुत जल्दी प्लेट्यू आ जाता है. इफ न्यू थिंग्स आर बीइंग इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन योर डाइट एवरी सिंगल वीक कि हम ये एलिमेंट्स ऐड कर रहे हैं, ये पोर्शंस ऐड कर रहे हैं, सो देन द बॉडी रिस्पॉन्ड्स इन अ बेटर वे. सेकेंड इसमें एलिमेंट ये है, यू हैव टू कंसिडर दिस थिंग कि आप डाइट तो कर रहे हो, विच इज ओके, कि आपने डाइट कर रहे हो साथ साथ, लेकिन और फैक्टर्स भी इंक्लूड करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इफ यू आर ज्वाइनिंग समबडी, द पर्सन कांट टेल यू, रिमाइंड यू एवरी सिंगल डे, बट व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि हम डाइट तो कर रहे हैं, वी आर जस्ट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ कि हम क्या खा रहे हैं, बट हमारा स्लीप लेवल क्या है, हमारा स्ट्रेस लेवल एलिवेटेड है. बट यू नो व्हाट हैपेंस, अगर आपका स्ट्रेस लेवल हाई है तो व्हाट हैपेंस इज आपका कॉर्टिसोल हार्मोन हाई हो जाता है. So no matter what you're doing, how healthy your diet routine is, कितना भी आप ध्यान रख रहे हो, your weight will not shed. तो आप देखोगे अगर कुछ टाइम आपका 2 दिन स्ट्रेस लेवल हाई रहा, आपका वेट नहीं नॉक ऑफ हो रहा है. एंड वन मोर प्रैक्टिस व्हिच आई वुड लाइक टू एड्रेस ओवर देयर इज कि जो आपको बंद करनी चाहिए, चेकिंग योर वेट एवरी सिंगल डे.
राइट, दिस इज द थिंग. हम मशीन खरीद लेते हैं, आई एम गेटिंग ऑन दैट एवरी डे, बढ़ा तो नहीं घटा तो नहीं, व्हाट्स द मैटर.
So, अगर वो चीज आपको हेल्प करती है in any which ways constructively.
One more question in my mind I want to ask you. अगर हम डाइटिंग कर रहे हैं, is it important to have something for that gym thing and all? What's your criteria for that?
कुछ ना कुछ वर्कआउट होना चाहिए, whether it be a plain walk, आप चाहे 20 minutes कर रहे हो, investing some time.
अगर नहीं कर रहे हैं तो क्या डाइटिंग से कम नहीं होगा?
बिल्कुल हो जाएगा, बिल्कुल हो जाएगा. Many of my clients are doing
workout, no walking, nothing, just the exertion of work.
बिल्कुल हो जाएगा. See, 80% it's your diet and your lifestyle, which is the go-to thing. आप वर्कआउट कर भी लोगे, एक घंटा कर लोगे.
Plenty of people doing thousands of workout and after that they're having chole bhaturas. What's that?
क्योंकि ना आपको लगता है कि अब मैंने वर्कआउट कर लिया, so I have got that license, now I can eat anything. तो आप वो डबल कर लो.
In fact, so double my husband, in fact, he's like, I'm going to gym, I'm having a 2-hour session. अब मैं घर आऊँगा, I'll have parathas and something like that. So I'm saying you should go for some diet. ये करने से तो कुछ नहीं होगा. So most important is to eat good. Am I right?
Eat good. That is very important. And I'm not denying the importance of a good workout. Doesn't mean कि आपको gym जाना ही जरूरी है.
People like me and there are more girls who are commenting here कि इतना ज्यादा workout करना क्या necessary है पतले होने के लिए है?
बिल्कुल नहीं. No, not at all.
If I'm not doing any workout, no walking, but I am following your diet, is it fine?
Yes, definitely. See, no walking is fine. Even if you're doing no walking, but being active throughout the day is important. Doesn't mean you're sitting on your chair the entire day, because usually we have
sleeping and eating. I'm not talking about, because yes, I am a working woman, so I go out. It's a lot of exertion I have, doing up and down with the traveling and everything. So it's like. So,
but अभी के time में हम करते हैं, तो if you're just sitting, so that's very important that you're moving, you're on the go, you're active throughout the day. That's very important. Otherwise, you're just eating, sitting on a one chair, or just being like a couch potato on your bed. So that is something again that is wrong. That is, I would urge my followers also not to do that and make it a conscious effort. Like I said, कि हर 30 minutes में at least you are moving. That's very important.
So I think this was a nice experience for you.
Yeah, the feeling is mutual, Ramanika. I just love it. I feel like we should do it more often. That's
Of course.
a very
Because
fun
people have a
interactive
lot of
session.
questions. I can see they are enthusiastic to ask each and everything. हर तरीके का नींबू पानी or honey lemon or whatever. Okay, so just tell the followers where they can find out and where they can join you.
So yeah. So I'll share the link also. So you can go to my website also. My Instagram page is over here. I'm on my Facebook page also with the name Dietitian Sai Mahima. So you can join my online program. So because right now, otherwise you can see at my clinic also it's in Gurgaon. But yeah, due to lockdown, definitely I'm not
It's good you
taking
can join online as well. No,
yeah,
online is a
so
good
it's the
option.
same benefit you get. It's the same benefit. You get to talk to me, you get to talk to my team. So it's the same benefit that you get. And yeah, it's very important that you utilize that this time period and don't let it go in vain. That waste हो गया है और बाद में हम सोचें कि oh my God, what to do now? So take good advantage of
This
this
is
period.
what
That is
I
what
think. That's why I thought to have a
that
live
is
session with a dietitian कि ये time
yeah,
को utilize कर लेना चाहिए.
yeah, definitely. And Ramanika,
Instead of eating pizza.
you Ramanika, you tell about our viewers how
Yeah,
they
so
can
of course you
approach
can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat by my name, which is Ramanika Grover. And in fact, I'm doing nail extensions as well. I have another page of Ramanika's Nail Bar. Okay, so we are basically, specialized in makeup, nails, and hair. Okay, we don't have
Wow,
that salon. We have a studio.
I've seen pictures of gorgeous nails, and definitely one day I would like to come to Delhi
Sure,
and
I'll
get
be
my
waiting for
nails done
you
for you. Looking forward to that.
after this lockdown. So looking
Yeah,
forward for our next session very soon.
yeah,
Thank you
very soon.
everyone for
Very
joining us.
soon.
And I
Thank you
saved the
everyone for
video.
joining.
You also
Yeah,
save the video if it's possible from
yeah,
your side. But
definitely. And it
from
will
my
be
side,
there
I
for
saved
next
it.
24 hours and people can view that. And yeah,
Yeah,
lots of
and let me
techniques.
tell you, we total the audience we got captured is like 1250 at one time.
Lovely, lovely, very good.
Thanks for being
And
on my page.
yeah, thank you, Ramanika. Thank you. It was a
Thank you
very
so
lovely
much.
session. And looking forward to more
See you
such
again
insightful
soon.
sessions. Yeah, soon,
Okay.
soon. So,
Bye-bye.
bye
Have
bye,
a nice
guys.
day
Bye bye.
and be
You
safe.
too. And take care of yourself, guys.
Yeah,
Stay
sure.
fit, stay healthy.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye bye.
Bye-bye.